Hello and welcome to Afaria 210, working with the self-service portal. At the end of this course, you'll be able to learn how to work with the self-service portal on a desktop, execute a remote lock, execute a passcode reset, execute a selective wipe, and execute a remote wipe. The self-service portal is available both through the desktop and a mobile device. Begin by navigating to the self-service portal on the desktop. The URL would be Afaria URL plus SSP. Click on Manage to work with an existing device, one that has already been enrolled. Select the device to work with. Within the self-service portal, there are numerous options to work with. This includes the following: Lock device, which executes a remote lock; Clear passcode, that performs a passcode reset; Remove control, which for iOS devices deletes the payloads and removes MDM control from the device. This applies only to Apple iOS devices. Remove wipe, which executes a remote wipe or a reset of the device; and Unregister a device, which removes the device from Afaria and all of the data associated with it. Note that when a device is simply unregistered, the device itself is not reset. This is also commonly referred to as a select wipe. In this case, MDM control is removed and the device is no longer under Afaria control, yet the user's personal data remains intact. You can also click on the GPS coordinates hyperlink to display the location of the device. Within the map, you can drill down into the location of the device. By drilling down all the way, you can see physically the last known location of the device. Let's execute a lock on the device. Open the drop-down box and select Remote Lock. The device will lock. A user can log onto the device again by simply entering the device passcode. Now let's execute a passcode reset and clear a user's passcode. Open the drop-down box and select Clear Passcode. The passcode is reset. A user, when they return to the device, will be prompted to reset the passcode. Enter the new passcode. Confirm the passcode. The passcode has now been reset. Selective wipe is a term used to identify that a device has been removed from MDM control without performing a hard reset or wipe to the device. When a selective wipe is performed, all that happens is that the Afaria controls are removed from the device and the device is left intact. On the mobile device, within Mail, it shows the enterprise email account. Afaria would have previously set this up during enrollment. You can access those emails by tapping on them. Returning to the mailboxes list, you can see that both an enterprise account is displayed, as well as a personal email account. To execute a selective wipe for Apple iOS devices, you must first remove control from that device. What this does is deletes the payloads installed on the device. This step's not required for non-iOS devices such as Android. In the self-service portal, open the Action List box and select Remove Control. A command is sent in the background to remove the MDM payloads installed on the device. Then, in the List box, select Unregistered Device. Now on the device, Afaria has removed all of the profiles it originally deployed. You can validate this through the device settings under General and then Profiles. None exist. Going back into email, only the personal account remains, and the enterprise email account, including contacts and calendar, have now been selectively wiped. Performing a remote wipe will perform a reset on the device, and all data, enterprise and personal, will be permanently erased. To execute a remote wipe, open the list box and select Remote Wipe. Confirm and make sure that this is what you want to do. Once the device receives the command, it's reset. Now the device has been reset and must be set up again. You should now be able to work with the self-service portal on a desktop, execute a remote lock, execute a passcode reset, execute a selective wipe, and execute a remote wipe.